Good morning, my name's Adam with EcoSpect, Healthy Basement, Healthy Home. Today we're helping a customer install a level 2 sump pump system. That's going to include 2 pumps, 2 liners, 2 discharges, battery backup, and a high water sump alarm. Stay tuned, the next 2 minutes will both be educational and fun to watch. A level 2 sump pump system is a dual liner where we have 2 liners, 1 pump is installed in each liner. That promotes maximum efficiency, it reduces short cycling of your pumps, it's a much more effective alternative. These particular liners have compression lids that are fit tight in place, not easy to get off by a child. In the base of this liner, there's a tray 2 inches tall. Your pump sits on top of that tray. The value of that is so that your pump is not embedded in the very base of the liner. So when we come back a year later and we do a service on these systems, we're able to effectively clear out any debris around that tray, and your pump being elevated hasn't been drawing all that sand, that silt through it. And that's an effective way to prolong the useful life of your pump with a level 2 sump system. So at this point we have your dual liners installed and we're ready to put the pumps in. A couple things I want to point out and features on the pump itself. One is these pumps are completely serviceable. We have the ability to dismantle and reassemble. The importance of that is that we can get to those internal components that need to be cleaned, serviced, debris removed, inspected, and any parts or components can be replaced as well. Your float switch, for example. That float switch may operate thousands of times. At some point the switch may wear out, but the pump might be perfectly capable of continued use. We can just simply switch out your float without having to replace the entire pump. We also install check valves that are clear. The importance of that is simply that you can see through it, you can see if there's any damage to it, but also this particular check valve is a bell housing that allows water to flow through it in an S configuration. It reduces sound, therefore called the quiet valve. It promotes efficiency, and ultimately its purpose is to reduce backflow from the upper pipe from water from coming back down and refilling up your sump so that that pump doesn't have to repump the same water over again. Additionally, in a level 2 we have a sump alarm. A high water alarm is an important component to have. This is your level 2 sump pump system completed. We have your dual sump system, 2 check valves, so we have 2 pumps, 2 liners, 2 check valves, 2 discharges. That is also set up on a battery backup system. The significant benefits of that is that your primary pump is what's used during stormy conditions and power outages. The actual pump itself will pump 2,400 gallons per hour on street power and 2,400 gallons per hour on battery backup continuously through the life of the battery without depleting the amount of gallons per hour over the life of the battery on a single charge. So one of the final steps to installing your level 2 sump system is to properly install an outside discharge. When you're doing an outside discharge, you should have an overflow. This overflow is intended so that if that line underground were to clog or freeze, water pumped through the pump can discharge temporarily until the clog is repaired or the ice is thawed. What we do is we run 1.5 inch interior piping. That's what your pumps are rated for with head pressure. We turn that 1.5 inch into a 3-inch line. At that point, the water transitions from 1.5 inch to 3 inch. That then allows the water in the 3-inch line to flow under gravity and therefore eliminates and significantly reduces head pressure on your pump, promoting your pump's efficiency and allowing them to function at max capacity. This 3-inch line, in this case, is buried 30 feet underground, and we run that line to daylight wherever possible. What that means is water simply runs through gravity and discharges at the end of this pipe. So let's recap on what's included in your level 2 sump system. You're getting 2 sump liners, 2 pumps, 2 discharges, 2 check valves, 2 ice cops, 2 below grade lines away from the house. You're getting a radon test kit, and you're getting a 1-year maintenance. We'll come back a year later and service the entire system. The theme of our business, healthy basement, healthy home. Radon is part of that because we're concerned about indoor air quality. We want what's best for you. Like our Facebook, follow us on Instagram, share us with your friends and neighbors. We're here to help.